Time now, though, for a look at the weather with Wendy, and it was lovely for VE Day commemorations, wasn't it?
It certainly was, yeah, really beautiful conditions yesterday, and they're continuing into this working week as well. It's going to be warm to begin with at least, but we're going to get some rain on Thursday, which is going to change that a little bit. Let's look at what's happening, because today I think we've probably peaked in temperature. We got to 23 degrees at Gravesend, very pleasant indeed, but we will get a succession of cold fronts coming through. They're not going to have all that much impact. The one tonight might just introduce a little bit of rain, but it will just knock the temperature slightly day by day. But it's when we get to Thursday we'll really feel the difference. This low pressure system sweeps in, gives us a good dose of rain, which is handy for the gardens, but that's the temperature for the day, just 14 degrees, which is below what we'd expect it to be at this time of year. So let's look in detail what's going on. Out there at the moment, we finished the day with some increasingly hazy sunshine as some sort of medium level cloud comes in. That's going to cap the temperature quite nicely tonight, though. It will feel quite mild out there, I think, as we'll get lows of 9 degrees in the home counties, but many places in London and other urban areas staying at 10 to 12 degrees. And you can see this little cold front here that's going to come through in the early hours of the morning. Now, if there's going to be any rain, it's looking most likely for parts of Buckinghamshire, Hertfordshire, perhaps into Essex as well. Maybe a spot elsewhere, but I think for most of us it will be a dry commute to work. And in any case, by the end of the morning, it will have shuttled out into the North Sea, and we'll have some sunshine moving in behind it. You can see tomorrow not quite as high as today in temperature. 23, remember, was our high at Gravesend. Tomorrow more like 17 to 19 degrees, but still perfectly pleasant for the time of year and where we'd expect it to be. It's when we get to Thursday that things change a little bit. Not only will it be quite a wet day, although it's good for the gardens, I know, it's also going to turn a little bit breezy for a small time as well. Could still be quite damp Friday morning, but there'll be some lovely sunshine into the afternoon. It looks like the temperature might pick up a bit into the weekend with some sunny spells Saturday afternoon as well, Riz.
I like how you say it's perfectly pleasant. Wendy, thanks very much. Just before we go, a reminder of the day's main headlines.